This is a $500,000 idea, but it's unclear if it's actually doable. Abortion advocates are asking the city of San Antonio to start a new fund that would help community organizations provide reproductive and sexual health services to people at a time when Texas is clamping down on abortion access. But a councilwoman who's supporting that idea really has mixed messages for City Hall reporter Garrett Berger on what exactly it would do.
A week out from the San Antonio City Council's budget vote, community members made their final requests for changes. Among them, a brand new $500,000 idea that supporters called a Reproductive Justice Fund.
You can directly support organizations that are working tirelessly to provide comprehensive reproductive and sexual health services.
Councilwoman Terry Castillo has spoken in support of it, too. She says a coalition of groups had put out the idea of a $500,000 fund.
That would go to Metro Health to disperse, to purchase contraceptives and do public education when it comes to reproductive health care.
But this wouldn't be for helping women gain abortion access?
No, this fund would be for reproductive education and contraceptives.
But an info sheet those groups gave council members showed that's exactly what they want it to be used for. In addition to the uses Castillo mentioned, supporters say the fund could provide organizations with money for travel to out-of-state abortion clinics, lodging during those trips, and lost wages.
So, contrary to what you had said before, this fund could.
We connected back with Castillo to ask about the discrepancy. She claimed it had been a misunderstanding.
I thought you were insinuating that this would fund abortion, which is illegal in the state of Texas, which is something we cannot do.
Castillo has already asked city staff to add the Reproductive Justice Fund to the budget.
Ideally, if this $500,000 Reproductive Justice Fund is successful, which I hope it is, it would allow nonprofit organizations that provide the care that you noted to access that health care. Correct.
It's something the city can do, she said, to back up what council members did when they passed a resolution last year supporting abortion access.
I think it's important that we don't lose sight that women are dying due to lack of access to health care, particularly reproductive health care.
Given the state's crackdown on abortion, I asked the city attorney if helping fund travel to out-of-state clinics would even be something the city can do. He told me his preliminary sense was probably not. I tried to follow up later this afternoon, but a city spokeswoman sent us only a brief statement saying that the fund would have to comply with state law. Now, Councilwoman Castillo said if that aspect isn't allowed, it could be removed. And that's not all that this fund would be for. In the newsroom, I'm Garrett Berger, KSAT 12 News.
Keep up to date with all of San Antonio's top news, weather, and so much more by clicking the like and subscribe buttons below. And once again, thanks for watching KSAT.